What is up, maniacs, and welcome back to the channel. I hope everybody's having a great one, and today we're finally going to be opening the long-awaited Legendary Collection 25th anniversary. There's some awesome cards in here, and I cannot wait for the nostalgia trip of all these old packs that we are going to get to open in this video. It's going to be amazing. But before we get started on that, if you guys would like to join the giveaway, make sure you're subscribed to the channel, slap the like button, and leave a comment below if you would like a chance to win Paladin of the White Dragon. Recently opened this on Magician's Force. One of the Ruxin packs that I opened up had one, and it actually came with ultra rare. So we're going to be doing a giveaway. Make sure to subscribe, slap the like button, and leave a comment below letting me know what your favorite card in this set is, because honestly there's a whole bunch and the god cards are amazing. But nonetheless, we're gonna hop right into the video, so let's get started. So we're gonna open this up. I'll probably open it up and then just go ahead and open all the packs up and see what we can get, because this box is huge, and you know, there's these little mini boxes in here that are kind of being a pain right now. So this is what the box looks like. You can't even see it, but we're gonna go ahead and open up these boxes and we'll be joining back in a minute. So you know what, I didn't make up my mind. We're just gonna go ahead and go one by one. Okay, we got the pack right there, and here are all our packs. Of course, Legend of Blue Eyes White Dragon, crazy. Metal Raiders, awesome. Pharaoh Servant, Dark Crisis, Spell Ruler, and Invasion of Chaos. So we're gonna do it in this order. I don't know which order I'm gonna do it, and then we'll do the promo pack at the end. So let's see what we can get from these. Okay, I believe it's 3 from the back, so let's see what we can get. Okay, Toll. Okay, High Tide, dude. Forest, okay. Curse of Fiend, Spear Cretan, Queen Bird, and the Amoeba Rare. Oh wait, we got the Sonic Bird, Sonic Boom. Okay, we got the Sonic Bird at the end. Oh man. All right, we're going for Dark Crisis for the second pack. To 3, I believe I said. If I mess up, I apologize. Contact with the Dark Master. Despair from the Dark. Ooh, Sakuretsu Armor. That was an awesome card back in the day. Shooting Star Bow. Maju and Garzette. Blindly Loyal Goblin. Oh, Contract with the Abyss, rare. And oh, we got a Dark Master Zork. Sick. I'll take it. I will take it. All right, Pharaoh Servant. Let's see what we can get from the Pharaoh's Servant. Insect Limitation. Flying Kamakuri 2. The Eye of Truth, dude. Classic cards. Kuwakata. Darkfire Soldier number 2. Type 0 Machine Crusher. Inspection. Monster Recovery. And oh, Imperial Order Secret. Rare. Wow. This card looks freaking beautiful. Holy moly. I like the secret rare on there. It looks cool. I'm not gonna lie, this looks pretty sick. All right, first big hit of the opening. Heck yeah, make sure to slap that like button. You guys are looking forward to this. Alright, 3 to the front. Self-destruct button. DNA transplant. Blazing Impachi. Shelf Sheeting. Neobug. Chaos Sorcerer. Zero Gravity. Goblin Zombie. And the anti-artifact aircraft flower. Sorry. Alright, I'm going for Metal Raiders. I think this is what the first pack that I opened back in the day was definitely Metal Raiders. Okay, got Trent. Gildia the D Knight. Sick. The Immortal of Thunder. Oki-Beam. Musician King. Crass Clown. Water Omotics. Oh, Witch's Apprentice. And Roaring Ocean Snake. Cool. Okay, here we go. The Blue Eyes. Legend of Blue Eyes White Dragon. Is it a legend? Could it become reality? Can we open a Blue Eyes White Dragon from this? That would be insane. Of course, everybody's chase card would be that. Darkrai. Woody Phantom. Steel Ogre Gratu #1. Frenzied Panda. Electro Whip. Vile Vermin. Wait, Germs. Sorry. Dark Knight of the Abyss. And Final Flames. And M Warrior Numero Dos. Okay, so we're going to check out our promo cards. Which, here, let me not give it away just in case it is a God card. Of course, the best one of these would be the Blue Eyes. Okay, we got Obelisk the Tormentor. Cypher the Soul Dragon. Wing Dragon of Ra. There we go. Blue Eyes White Dragon. Dark Magician. And the Red Eyes Black Dragon. And oh, the Slifer the Sky Dragon. These look so cool. Pretty insane. And there's the Yu-Gi-Oh! Card Game 25th stamp right there. Looks cool. This is a pretty awesome rarity. Looks even more shiny than Starlight. Well, I've never seen one in person, but you know, we could all hope. Alright, we're gonna be opening up the whole box, so hopefully we get some amazing pulls for the video. Okay, we're gonna do the same order. Crisis. Alright, let's do this. Start with the Spell Ruler. Okay. Garden of the Throne Room. Darkness Approaches. Weather Report. Horn of Light. Giant turtle who feeds on flames. Okay. I did not need to know that much about that turtle. Okay, the dance. Final Destiny. Ooh, the Karate Man. And Molten Destruction. Okay. Here we go. Dark Crisis. Let's get a holo. Secret Rare. Of course. That would be awesome. Archfiend's Roar. Cestus of Dagla. Despair from the Dark. Ray of Hope. Arsenal Summoner. Pandemonium. Shadow Knight Archfiend. Dark Bishop Archfiend. And oh, we got the Dark Scorpion. Mane the Thorn, I believe. Okay, we got Pharaoh Servant. Ooh, good man. Let me know if you guys are super excited about this, because honestly, I like it. Flame Champion. Dark Fire Soldier. Respect Play. 7 completed. Cyber Falcon. The Gust. Dark Bat. Ooh, Gravity Bind. And Major Riot. Okay. Let's see what we get out of an Invasion of Chaos. Let's see what we could get. The ones I would want, of course, are Blue Eyes. And I'm not talking about this. But definitely want a Blue Eyes. Definitely want a Jinzo. That would be insane. Gigantus. Lord Poison. Thunder Crash. Spirit of the Pot of Greed. Destruction Ring. And Des Kangaroo. Okay. Metal Raiders. Metal Raiders. Let's see what we can do here. 3. King. Electric Lizard. Ring of Magnetism. Mega Thunderball. Punished Eagle. The Petite Moth. Masked Sorcerer. Oh, the 1000 Dragon. Secret Rare. What else we got? Leo Gun. Did I mess that up? I don't know. The 1000 Dragon. Let's go, Joey Wheeler. Hit that like button if you enjoyed it. Dude, the secret rares look super clean. They're super nice. For sure. For sure, super clean. Alright. Blue Eyes. White Dragon. Come on. Let's get it. Let's get the chase card that everyone is going to be looking for. Of course, being Blue Eyes White Dragon. Forest. Basic Insect. Book of Secret Arts. Remove Trap. Rain Temperature. Silver Fang. Silver Bow and Arrow. Grave Digger Ghoul. And the Beaver Warrior. The Beaver Warrior. Okay. Let's see. Oh, let's see what our promo is. Hopefully I didn't give it away. If I did, I didn't really see it. It's all good. Got the Obelisk. Slifer. Winged Dragon Raw. Blue Eyes. Dark Magician. Red Eyes Black Dragon. And oh, the Red Eyes Black Dragon. Alright, sick. Sick. Dude, this print looks so crazy good. I definitely would want to complete it, but even if we get every single one, we're not going to be able to. So hopefully we can get all separate ones, and then we'll see what happens. We'll see what happens with that. Alrighty. So this Invasion Pharaohs. Okay. Start off with Spell Ruler. Okay. Griggle. Flash Assailant. Chain Energy. Awesome for burn decks. Turtle Oath. Snake Fang. Two Long Rods number dos. UFO Turtle. Ooh, the Relinquish. No way. That's awesome. And then Mechanical Snail. The ultra rare on this is like for sure different. I'm not explaining it, but it definitely looks cool. I'm getting some hits. We've been getting some hits, okay? I cannot complain about that. The Relinquish, that's classic right there. Relinquish. Let me know. Maximilian Pegasus. Alright. Precious cards from Beyond. Sakuretsu Armor. Rod of Silence. Falling Down. Deal with the Dark Ruler. Blind Loyalty Goblin. Gagagigo. What does that say? Maphis the Infernal General. Iron Blacksmith. Okay. Pharaoh Servant. Okay. Deep Sea Warrior. 4-star Ladybug of Doom. Sky Scout, originally Harpy's brother. Shadow of Eyes. Minor Goblin Official. Land Burning Land. Mystic Probe. Appropriate. And the Insect Barrier. It's about to be mosquito time. We need the insect berries. Alright. Let's see. Sacred Crane. The Thing. The Crater. DNA Transplant. Neobug. Jade Insect Whistle. Molten Zombie. Interesting. The Jetsu Fuma. Ooh, and we got a super rare, the Wild Nature's Release. Okay. And the Griffin Feather Duster. Destroy all spells and traps inside. Hey. Oh, on your side. Okay. That's not the good. I was about to say. It's better than the Harpies, but I was kidding. I was just kidding. Guess I never saw that card. Alright, Metal Raiders. Let's see what we got. Block Attack. Flame Cerberus. Oh, classic, dude. I remember that. I remember pulling that. Disc Magician. Tremendous Fire. Osprey Brendex. Hibukime. Lava Battle Guard. Soul Release. The Kuma Kuma. And the Skull Knight. Okay. Alright, let's see. Legend of Blue Eyes White Dragon. Come on, let's get it. If I get the Blue Eyes White Dragon, it will be insane. Okay, Sogen. Hinotama. Hinotama Soul. Okay. The Umi. Tsumi Giant. Root Water. Stop Defense. And, oh, the Mystical Elf. Was that always a holo? I don't think it was. And the Furious Sea King. But, maybe it was. I don't remember. Pretty cool. I'll take it. It's a super shiny. Oh, of course. The promo packs. Almost forgot. Ah, I kind of gave it away. If you already saw it, just pretend like you didn't see it. Okay. Bliss Slifer. Raw. Blue Eyes, Dark Magician, Red Eyes, and the Obelisk, the Tormentor. It's freaking sick. Gotta love that. The back of the card's blue. Freaking awesome. Okay. We got 2 more boxes. Let's get it. We're not gonna give it away this time. Not gonna give it away. I believe this is how I did it. If not, oh well. Alright, Spell Ruler. Spell Ruler. Upstart Goblin. Fairy's Hand Mirror. Crab Turtle. Performance of Swords. Got the Peacock. Get the Boar Soldier. Get the Queen Bird. Ooh, Rush Recklessly. And the Metal Fish. That fish will rust. Okay, got Dark Crisis. Ooh, the Final Countdown. Okay. Non-spellcasting area. Keldo, the OG. Dice reroll. Token Thanksgiving. Twin Swords Flashing Light Trice. Got the Guardian. Different Dimension Gate. And, ooh, another ultra rare. Let's go. What was this one? Interdimensional Matter Transporter. Sick. Super sick. Okay, got the Pharaoh Servant. The classic Yugioh. Sword Hunter. Wing Waver. Tank T34. Gradius. Dark Fire Soldier number 2. Overdrive. Reign of Mercy. The Shallow Grave. And the Flying Kamakuri number 2. Got Invasion of Chaos. Alrighty. Granadora. Salvage. Energy Drain. Blasting the Ruins. Self-Feed. Witch Doctor of Chaos. Pinch Hopper. Mad Dog of Darkness. Anti-Aircraft Flower. Okay, we got the Metal Raiders. Alright. Let me know if you guys are interested in opening some of this, because honestly it's super awesome. Mystic Horseman. Rainbow Flower. Tainted Wisdom. The Pale Beast. It looks kind of blue to me, but whatever. Yarokaru. The Unhappy Maiden. Pobrecita. White Magician's Hat. Oh, another one? Thousand Dragon. Sick. I'll take it. And the Bistro Butcher. Classic cards, man. Classic cards. Alright. Legend of Blue Eyes White Dragon. Sandstone. Petite Dragon. Robbie. Mystical Sheep number 2. Terror the Terrible. Mystical Moon. And Warrior number 1. And the Giant Soldier of Stone. Flame Manipulator. Alrighty. You know what? Even if we don't get a Blue Eyes from the box, the packs, I definitely would like one of these to be Blue Eyes. Okay. Cypher. Dragon Raw. The Blue Eyes. The Magician. Red Eyes Black Dragon. And ooh, Slifer the Sky Dragon. Okay, cool. Cool. Alrighty. And for the last box, I would be awesome if I could get one of those shiny Blue Eyes White Dragons. Of course, I believe everybody would be looking for those. So, probably the most expensive right now. But we shall see. Alrighty. The last packs. Kind of a longer video, but hey. This doesn't come around that often, so it's pretty awesome. We get to open old packs and not pay a whole bunch of money. Okay, Jiden. Slot Machine. Flash Assailant. Horn of Light. Ryu Ran. Snake Fang. Eternal Rest. Okay, sick. Giant Rat. Liquid Beast. Okay. The All-Seeing White Dragon. Kimsey Tai, I believe. Gamble. Gradius. Shadow of Eyes. Burning Land. Time Seal. Skull Invitation. And Numius Healer. I believe that's how you say that. Okay. Non-spellcasting area. Creatures of Dalga. Agito, the OG. Shooting Star Bow. Seal. Rod of the Mind's Eye. Battle Footballer. Drag Down into the Grave. Wicked Breaking Lambrel Bayou. Outstanding Dog Marone. Okay, got the puppy on there. Alrighty. Ojama Delta Hurricane. Got the Salvage. Thing in the Crater. Curse Seal the Forbidden Spell. Ojama Black. Coach Goblin. Chaos Sorcerer. Jetsufuma. Ooh, and the big koala. Cool. The big boy koala. Alrighty, let's see. The block attack. Electric lizard. Ring of magnetism. Rock grotto number 1. Kajikogi. Kosi. Ground attacker. Bugroth. Mask of darkness. Oh, the summon skull. Let's freaking go, dude. The summon skull. Heck yeah. Ultra. That's what I'm talking about. Freaking classic right there. Winged dragon guardian of the fortress number 1. That's what I'm talking about. And can we end it off? Can it happen? Can it be? Let's see. If we could get a blue eyes, that would be insane. The drooling lizard. Kurama. Book of Ancient Arts. Mystical Sheep number 2. Monster Egg. Silver Fang. Imuriku. The Warrior. And the 13th Grave. Unfortunately, we didn't get it from the Blue Eyes White Dragon pack. But we're going to see if we could get the promo. Let's see what we get. Come on, Slifer. Last chance. We'll try raw. Blue Eyes. Dark Magician. Rise White Dragon and another Slifer. Oh man. Alrighty. Well, I hope you all enjoyed that. This pack. This has been amazing. And don't forget, if you guys would like your chance to win the Paladin of White Dragon, make sure you're subscribed to the channel. Slap the like button. And leave a comment down below. I hope everybody enjoyed this. I love doing pack openings for you guys, so make sure to boost this video so I can do more of them. But I hope you enjoy, and I'll catch everybody in the next one. Peace.